Hey there, folks. Here's a quick tip for you if you're milling and you have to do multiple passes. So like in this case, you can see the line here. You know, and obviously I'm gonna have to take multiple passes to do this safely and do a good job of it. And since I only have a 3/4 inch end mill, and this is 2 inches wide, I should be able to do this in 3 passes, but if you don't do it correctly, you might have to do it in more passes. So the best way to do this is you get your mill going. Okay. And you see here, my mill is going to have an overlap, right? Okay. So what I do is I go on my axis here, and this erases easily. So just take a marker. That's my first position. All right, great. So I'm gonna be going this way. Then I wanna come back this way, not waste any time, right? So my end mill is gonna be at the other end. So the next pass, I don't wanna do any climb milling. I wanna do conventional mill, right? So it's not dangerous. So what I do, I just crank it to position number 3. And I know I'm gonna cover a nice pass. So then I come back this end again, and now I'm ready for my final pass. I go to number 2, and I know my end mill is going to cover the whole pass without leaving any burrs and whatnot. Look at this. Let's see in practice. So that's my quick tip for the day. Take care, folks.